Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to join the GitHub Education Student Developer Pack so you can unlock student benefits including free hosting credits worth up to $200 with DigitalOcean and a free domain name. This video is part of my AI automation playlist on YouTube for beginners. One of the best AI automation platform is N8N, which normally costs around 24 euros per month. In this tutorial, I will show you the first step toward getting your own hosted N8N web application for free and even a WordPress website for yourself using GitHub Student Benefits at zero cost. First, you go to github.com/education. If you have a GitHub account, just get into the education and apply there. Sign up using your university email account. So as you can see here, we are trying to sign up with a university from Japan. So any university worldwide should be able to grant you the benefits. Carefully follow the instructions on the screen and complete that some security puzzles that they give you after you complete the application. Then confirm your email address using the verification code sent to your inbox. Once your GitHub account is created, you can apply for GitHub Education benefits. Complete the application carefully and make sure you upload a clear digital copy of your university ID card or any other official document proving that you are currently an enrolled student at a university. It doesn't matter, bachelor, master, or even a PhD student. Important warning, many students get rejected after 2-3 days of waiting because they did not complete the two-factor authentication and they did not complete their profile information. Also, they failed to add their payment information correctly. Some of the students feel hesitant to provide their payment information. GitHub will not deduct any amount from your credit card. It's just you need to add your payment information. At least this is what we had to do outside Europe or the United States. After approval, you can access the GitHub Education Benefits page through the confirmation message. This is the best way. So you go into that confirmation message, click here, and then from there, you can claim free technology services, including DigitalOcean hosting credits and also a free domain name through, for example, Namecheap. This is your first step toward building your own AI automation systems, N8N server, cloud applications, and also a professional website completely at zero cost as a student.